Well, in my view, actually, the most important issue going forward is to allow equal access of patients to emerging medicines across Europe. This is currently not the case, and there are countries that are much faster in allowing access to the patients compared to others. And I think that it was not the intention way back when the Orphan Drug Act was started also in Europe. So equal access is probably the biggest challenge that we have to achieve in the near future. Well, we have currently our lead product is in the review by the European Medicines Agency in the first indication. And so we are awaiting, obviously, the decision by the European Medicines Agency on the Leber's eye disease indication sometime next year in the first half. And this is obviously the biggest milestone for us in the next 12 months. Well, I have been before when it was still in Geneva, and now I'm back to the conference. Actually, it's very useful to once in a while get an update of what is going on in the field, in hearing representatives of patient organizations, big and smaller pharma companies, but also representatives of governmental institutions or the European Union. So for me, it's always a good way to interact with key opinion leaders in the orphan drug sector, and that's why I'm coming here. No, I think here clearly is a European problem because we have 28 member states, and every member state has to implement the pricing reimbursement strategy for each of these orphan drugs, and that takes time, and this is different in each member state. So that's a specific European problem. I think that's a problem that could be solved at the European level, and this is currently, in my view, the biggest hindrance of patients getting access, timely access to emerging therapies for orphan diseases.